People are confused because what they don't understand is that we're not oppressed as Muslims. In fact, women under Islam have more rights than they do in a society without a religion, particularly a monotheistic one, and particularly Islam, because actually it creates boundaries which men have to comply with to protect us as women. And that's what people just can't understand, and it took me to live in Syria and see in a different setup of social existence that actually women out there thought we in the West are oppressed because of our attitudes towards men, how we can give ourselves freely and how, be left on our own with nothing in the end. And people can just, like a box of chocolates, you can just pick one out, and at the end of the day, there's no depth. Actually, as a Western woman growing up in this society, the pressures that I was under, like you were saying, having to present yourself for the pleasure of men in a particular way, we are under so much pressure to fight against other women to have our status by flaunting ourselves that I just had enough of it.